because if you're worried about being stuck in your house and worried about bad conditions, you want to prepare foods that don't require cooking.
That's true, unless you have gas.
Yeah, I'm in the store looking at all these people buying like hamburgers.
Yeah, hamburger,
I'm
right?
thinking to myself, what are you gonna do with that if your power goes out?
All right.